If you do it right, Mom is going to give you candy, okay?
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. What's this letter?
A.
Yeah. What's this letter?
E.
Yeah. What's this letter?
O.
No. What's this letter?
I.
Yeah. What's this letter?
O.
Yeah. What's this letter? What's the last one?
A. O.
No. What's the last one?
U.
Yay! And now, can you find baby I?
Baby I.
Yeah. Can you find little U?
Mommy find
U. Can you find little O?
O.
Yeah.
Baby O.
Can you find baby E?
Baby.
Baby E. Yay! And baby A?
Baby A.
Where's baby A? No, where's baby A?
Mommy find A.
You find baby A if you want a candy. Find baby A.
Baby.
This is the big A. Where's the baby A?
Baby A.
No. Where's the baby? Yay! Good job. You got them all down.
Mommy, give me candy.
Good job. High five.